So this 3C texture blends so well with my own hair, guys. I actually can't get over it. It's Eleanor Jador here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have all of you here today. This channel is all about natural hair and beauty. So if that sounds like you, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you stay informed of all my videos. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how I switch things up and how I take my regular curly length hair to these long, luscious locks. So I feel so fortunate because I was recently sent these premium quality 100% human hair, natural hair extensions, and it is by a company called To All My Black Girls, and I'm about to show you exactly how easy it is to just give yourself that lift because you know, sometimes we all just need a little bit of a change up, a little bit of a switch up. So I'm going to show you how I take my hair from my usual shoulder curly length to these long luscious locks. And guys, make sure that you watch all the way to the end because I have a cheeky little discount code for you so that you too can hook yourself up with these long luscious locks. So carry on watching. I opted for 2 bundles of the 22-inch Kinky curl clip-ins. You're going to section your hair layer by layer, starting with the 2 clip-ins at the very back, just under the parting, and increase the size of the clips as you work upwards. Then I sprayed my hair with a little bit of water and used a bit of gel to help blend my hair and the extensions together. You'll see when I get to the front, I actually finger coil my hair and the extensions together. Once I got to the middle, I used the 4 clip as well as the 5 clip-ins. And it was surprisingly easy to snap the clips into my hair. I was not expecting that. So when you get to the front, decide where you want your parting. I opted for a side part, snapped in a 2 clip-in and made sure that I covered it with my own hair. And here I'm basically done, but the style still needs a bit of rounding off, so I'm just wetting the hair and finger coiling it to blend my hair with the extensions. After that, I let it air dry and slick down my edges, and that was it. This is really how easy it is, guys. Like, if I can do this, so can you. I do have a discount code for you. I will leave it down below, but it is Eleanor10. Super easy, Eleanor10, to save some money when you go and buy yourself some inches. Like I said, this is the first time that I've ever tried any type of natural hair extensions, and I am in love. It feels so natural, and the way it blends in with my own hair, I actually can't stop touching it. I can't stop looking at it. I'm really excited to try out some different styles with it. I want to get creative with it. The hair arrived in this really beautiful box. Like I said, it is all premium quality. Even the box is premium quality. And on the back, there's just a little bit of information about the company. To All My Black Girls is a black-owned company born in London, UK. Our unique natural kinky hair extensions are made specially to blend well with African, Caribbean and mixed hair types. Our sole attention to natural textured hair ensures we provide you with the highest quality, long-lasting hair extension. So I am going to make a couple more videos about this hair, and in the next videos I am going to talk about how to care for the hair, and I'm going to come up with some different hairstyles. But for now, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Please make sure that you hit the cards and go and watch some of my other videos. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this hair. Would you wear this? Would you wear natural hair extensions in general? Subscribe if you haven't already. Also check me out on Instagram as Eleanor Jador. I would love to chat with you more over there. And until the next video, guys, bye!